Hey everybody, welcome to the Skipperbuds channel. My name is Chad. I wanted to do a quick video mainly for my subscribers, but also to anybody else that might be watching this and wondering what's going on with the channel, because both boats that are typically the subject of this channel are up for sale. So nothing is changing on the channel. We're just going to change boats is essentially what it comes down to. This fall, I will be changing my focus to the Bosun project, which has had very little updates in the last couple months here, but the Bosun project as it sits right now has its first coat of resin on it and is ready for runners and keel, which I still have to buy, but that's coming up soon. The weather's just been so nice, and spending the weekends on the Clifford are basically priority right now, so we'll get back to this shortly. For now, like I said, I just wanted to provide a quick update, a very short video here, just to let you know that just because Neptune is up for sale and Clifford, the Regal, is also up for sale, not getting rid of the channel. I'm actually looking forward to expanding some content on the channel with the next boat that we get. We think we've narrowed it down to a main ship 34 or 37 motor yacht. Doesn't have to be a main ship, but something in that size, range, and layout. We're looking for a aft cabin boat with a V-berth stateroom as well, two bathrooms, two heads, with lots of salon room for the next boat. And there's going to be plenty of projects on the next boat, I guarantee you. So Neptune's for sale. If you're interested, let me know. Clifford is for sale. If you're interested, let Skipperbuds know. And I'll post that link in the video, or in the section below, just like I did in the sales video for Clifford. So don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I know I'm not a big channel at this point with just a little bit less than 300 subscribers, but I just want to make sure that anybody that watches for specific content, whether it's DIY work, maintenance, cruising videos, whatever it is, I'm still going to do that. And next year, I'm going to be doing a little bit of local lake cruising on the Bosun when it's done as well. So all this stuff is sticking around. I'm not going anywhere, not getting out of boats. And I also have a Hobie Cat project that was given to me by a very good friend of mine. And at some point, I will bring that down from Door County, and I'll start working on restoring a Hobie Cat and maybe learn how to sail. So we'll see what happens. I'm here to stay, so keep watching, keep passing the videos along to anybody that would like to see them, and yeah, let's keep growing the channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on the Skipperbuds channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and if you want to be notified when I post a new video like this one, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Happy boating.